me and said that if you keep on talking on this subject, you don't know how you are building good marriages. I was like, huh? And he's an aged person, and his wife was like, all the I want to have a photo with Dr. Pallavi and all that. And then he said that, okay, so what are you taking home? And then he told me, I'm married to her for last 40 years now. अभी 40 साल में बदलाव नहीं आएगा, अब क्या आएगा? And I said that today's session will definitely be beneficial for you because something will be taken home. And then, they were actually in a very good space. They got connected to their higher self. They were able to see how their ego was driving them. So this came to my mind that, thank you so much, Suman, for taking out this topic. This came to my mind that as a team of Kindness Corner, we can take such offline sessions and projects so that, you know, it is real service. This is what I felt at that workshop.
Yeah.
And the workshop lasted for 2 hours, and they were like, uh, I think we need to conduct this whole day program.
Yeah.
So the points, this is not something which is, Pallavi doing something. I'm not coming from that. What I want to say is this concept of compassion is actually very attractive to every soul.
It's our innate nature, na?
Exactly. It's very attractive to every soul. So the more and more people get connected to Kindness Corner and they get the taste of this, the more and more the intention will be fulfilled. So the intention of Kindness Corner was also shared. Yes, sir. So Suman, would you like to take over to just start the session so that then
Okay, good evening, everyone. Can we see your beautiful faces?
मैं थोड़ी देर और किचन में हूँ, मैं थोड़ी देर बाद.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Meshi. Always आपका video on रहता है. We are so delighted to have a participant like you in this team. आपका interaction is really very inspiring. Okay, so we begin today's session. Okay, आप बताइए आप लोग में से क्या क्या आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं? आपको क्या लगता है आज का सेशन क्या नया चीज आपको सिखाने वाला है? Any idea, anybody? यानी कुछ ये स्टॉक होल्डर्स इंटरव्यू ये हो क्या सकता है काइंड ऑफ कुछ तो सोचा होगा ना आज है क्या नया हम जो सीखने वाले हैं. मतलब क्या हम शेयर मार्केट में जाके कुछ सीखने वाले हैं क्या? नया
आपका
नया
सुमन जी आपका दर एक एपिसोड सस्पेंस रहता है, सो करुणा बरसाते हो आप लोग बस.
थैंक यू सो मच. ये आप लोग सबकी व्हाट यू से ओपन हार्ट है जो यू ऑल आर सो रेडी टू रिसीव एंड गिव सो मच लव एंड योर ओपन माइंड कि आप हर चीज को इतना क्यूरियोसिटी से सुनते हैं एंड फिर लाइफ में अप्लाई भी करते हैं करने की कोशिश हम सब कर रहे हैं. So stockholders interview is one of the most powerful tools in listening and ये एक ऐसा कम्युनिकेशन का टूल है जिसमें एक्चुअली आपको समझ में आएगा कि सामने वाला जब हम सामने वाले को स्पेस देते हैं प्रॉपर डायरेक्शन देते हैं इन आवर कम्युनिकेशन हाउ इट कैन टेक द फुल डायलॉग इनटू अ डिफरेंट लेवल कि एक्चुअली डायलॉग होता क्या है यूजुअली व्हाट जब हम कम्युनिकेशन कर रहे हैं तो ऐसा होता है कि हम मोनोलॉग में रहते हैं पर सामने वाला क्या बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा है हमने जब कुछ मतलब ऐसी चीजें बताई जाएगी कि you will come to know oh my god actually this is what the person wants to say and this is what I was trying to understand I think in my own mind through my filters. So not wasting any more time, I want to invite Dr. Pallavi Kher to please guide us and to show us how powerful this tool is and how powerful innately we are. हम जैसे डॉक्टर पल्लवी ने कहा ना कि वो compassionate का जो उन्होंने वर्कशॉप लिया, everybody loved it because that is our quality, you know. We are such loving beings that we love to be in that space. Just हम भूल चुके हैं, हम माइंड में इतना घुस चुके हैं कि हम अपने innate quality को भूल चुके हैं. So we are going to not waste any more time and talk about stakeholders interview. Welcome, Dr. Pallavi.
Thank you so much, Suman. Thank you so much for such a beautiful beginning. And you rightly said that everyone loves the concept of compassion because that is what your soul loves. लेकिन जब भी हम सुनने की बात करते हैं, लिसनिंग की बात करते हैं, आप में से कितने लोग अग्री करते हैं कि यहाँ जब काइंडनेस कॉर्नर में आते हैं, 1 घंटा सुनते हैं, बड़ा अच्छा लगता है। जब घर जाते हैं, देन यू कम अक्रॉस योर स्पाउस, योर पेरेंट्स, योर चिल्ड्रन एंड समवेयर यू फील दैट वो वहाँ सेशन में सुनना अच्छा था, ये प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में बड़ा मुश्किल है यार सुनना, मिस नहीं होगा, वहाँ थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है। सो यू लुक एट इट लाइक थोड़ा सा प्रवचन जैसे अगर आप देख रहे हैं और आपको अगर चैलेंजेस फील हो रहे हैं, then just raise your hand that I am feeling this challenge of listening.
Can I raise both my hands?
Thank you so much. You are so realistic. Thank you so much, Mahesh. Thank you, Swapnil. That I absolutely appreciate it. And you know, this is what, and this is how you are actually a real human being. You're a real person. You don't want to show something that is that is not real. You are not a victim of so-called positive thinking. You're very realistic, and people who are realistic and people who can diagnose the issue can treat the issue, right? So more power to you, and I am clapping your hands for you because all of those who have raised their hands that you are not able to listen to your family members, truly appreciate it. Lot of respect. Yes, Tusha, welcome to the platform Kindness Corner, and we are really happy to have you here.
I'm
And
just luckily I've dropped in here in Delhi, and suddenly
okay.
I got news there is some corner here in Delhi which is like getting lots of people around. तो मुंबई वाले मेरे को यहाँ मिल रहे हैं. Hi Suman. So
that
thank you. I
that
hope
is
I'm welcome here I'll join every day. बोला है रोज चलता है, हर हफ्ते चलता है.
yeah.
Welcome, Tushar sir. So nice to see you.
Don't call me sir यार. There's only sir, no ball. Please
Pallavi,
continue.
take over the screen now, and the
Yes.
show, and the stage, and our hearts.
Yeah. Thank you so much for all your appreciation and all your love. Yes. Just a minute. Okay. You can see me right on the screen.
Yes, we can see you.
Ah, all right. So today's topic is stakeholders interview. For the first time, when I listened to this terminology from my coach Manoj, I was actually flabbergasted. Stakeholder interview. मतलब अभी ये क्या पॉडकास्ट कराने बोल रहे हैं, इंटरव्यू लेने के लिए बोल रहे हैं, क्या ही कराने वाले हैं? एंड देन मुझे तो फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग मेरी इंग्लिश बहुत अच्छी नहीं है, तो उस टाइम पे तो मुझे स्टेक होल्डर का मतलब भी नहीं पता था। स्टेक होल्डर क्या होता है, तो वहाँ यहाँ से शुरुआती सोचो। तो फिर he asked me the question, who are the stakeholders of your life? And I asked him, what do you mean by stakeholder? And then yeah, he told me stakeholder means all those people, जैसे all those people who play a very important role in your life. तो ऐसे लोग कौन से हैं आप गिना सकते हैं? And then I was like, हाँ, 4-5 people are there. So all those people whom you think that are very important and they create a pillar of your life are actually stakeholders. But the question is, how is your relationship with them? They're good, the relationship is good. And then the question was, okay, don't need to tell me any answer. So now from this point on, this, look at this conversation as a conversation. Okay. So the every question that is coming your way, you don't have to answer it loudly here in the session, but yeah, you need to answer that question, that you need to answer that in your own world, okay, in your own mind. So is really, yeah, you love them, they love you, I'm not asking that. So now the real question is, how is your relationship with them? On the scale of 0 to 10, where do you see the quality of bond, the quality of conversation, the quality of communication with them? And now this question is really going to make you think. So look at this session as a workshop. Write down the names of 3 people, 3 stakeholders, 3 most important people in your life. On the scale of 0 to 10, write down what is the number. Where do you see the level of conversation, the quality of dialogue? With each of them. Huh? Now, next question. What is your intention in this relationship? Now, intention है ना, एक वर्ड में आना चाहिए, एक या 2 वर्ड्स, ठीक है? सो इन फ्रंट ऑफ एवरी पर्सन आपने स्कोर लिखा है, उसके सामने लिखिए आपका इंटेंशन क्या है इस रिलेशनशिप में. If you have any question, you can raise your hand and ask me. But look at this as a workshop, because the presence of all of you, the enthusiasm of all of you, is actually bringing it. Believe me, this single session is going to be magical and transformative for your relationships. And if you are deeply engrossed and if you give your 100%, it will change the trajectory and the direction and the quality of your relationship. So the intention has been written, right? The moment I say, yes, Prajakta, you want to ask something? Yeah, please.
मैम नाउ नेम्स लिखे हैं, उसके सामने क्या लिखना है नंबर्स में?
स्कोर 0 to 10 पे ये कॉन्वर्सेशन का लेवल कहाँ है? इट इज नॉट अबाउट हाउ मच यू लव देम. ये लव का सेशन है ही नहीं.
ओके.
हाँ, आई लव माई चाइल्ड लव्स मी, नो नो नो, ये फ्लारी बातें हम नहीं कर रहे हैं. ये वी आर बिकमिंग रियलिस्टिक हियर. सो व्हाट इज द लेवल, quality of conversation with this person on the scale of 0 to 10? Maybe you love your parents, लेकिन आप एक दूसरे को टॉलरेट नहीं कर सकते हैं. 3 पे हो, पॉसिबल है. हो सकता है कोई दोस्त है,
People negative.
it is not good one. So whatever it is, कोई भी नेगेटिव हो, अभी आज आप थोड़ा नया नजरिए, नया एक पर्सपेक्टिव आपको मिलने वाला है, एंड न्यू टूल यू आर गोइंग टू गेट. ओके, सो आप वहां पे स्कोर लिखेंगे, उसके सामने इंटेंशन ऑफ दैट रिलेशनशिप, योर इंटेंशन इन दैट रिलेशनशिप. The moment I say my intention is this, what is your intention? It is again an ego trip. It is again an ego trip. So our work here is turning ego into eco. And our intention in this meeting, in this stakeholders interview, in this workshop, is to create our intention. Is to create our intention. Mine and yours is ego. Ours is connection, is eco. Clear till now? All right.
डॉक्टर पल्लवी, सॉरी, एक मिनट, मैं
Yes,
फोन से ज्वाइन हुई हूँ एंड ये कुछ ऑप्शन ही नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है वेयर टू राइट. कैन यू टेल मी?
आपको आपके कॉपी में लिखना है.
हाँ, लेकिन ये फोन में कुछ ऑप्शन नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है चैट का.
चैट का ऑप्शन है ना, आप आपके फोन में एकदम राइट साइड में बॉटम कॉर्नर देखिए, वहां आपको पार्टिसिपेंट्स, मतलब जैसे पीपल, उसके बाजू में एक स्क्वायर दिखेगा मैसेज वाला.
इट्स ओके, आई विल, मैं लैपटॉप पे ज्वाइन हो जाती हूँ.
अभी एक मैसेज आया है, उसे आपने पढ़ा?
Yes, I can see the message, but
You cannot type. Rajita, you want to share something? Yes.
Yes मैम, I mean I have question. Intention लिखना है तो ये मार्क्स जो हमने दिए हैं रैंकिंग, तो उसके ये क्यों दिए हैं, इसका पर्पस लिखना है, आई मीन इंटेंशन
The
या
intention of the relationship.
कैन यू प्लीज डिस्क्राइब मोर ऑन दिस?
Okay, I think that you did not attend a few sessions. That's why you are stuck at the intention part.
यस मैम.
All right, all right. It won't be possible to describe everything about intention, but you can say that see, on the level of 0 to 10, the score that you give is to the quality of conversation you have in this relationship. That is a separate part. And intention, what is your intention with your son or with your child? So if you ask me, my intention with my child is to provide him the best nutrition.
Okay.
The intention with my elder son is to create a listening space.
Okay.
The intention with my best friend is to create moments of laughter. So with every relationship, we have different intentions. Now that you are clear with the intention, your next step is to listen to this conversation carefully so that you get clarity about what you are going to do with this list or with this assignment or with the work that you have done. So, stakeholders interview means now you know who the stakeholders of your life are. And in the next week, what you're going to do is you're going to take their interview as if you are that journalist. And इंटरव्यू किसका लिया जाता है बाय द वे? चलो पहले ये सवाल, इंटरव्यू किसका लिया जाता है?
जिनको हम ज्यादा जानना चाहते हैं.
नहीं, इंटरव्यू इन जनरल इस दुनिया में इंटरव्यू किसका होता है?
Somebody famous or somebody.
hiring
Popular one.
हाँ, good answer. Somebody who is famous, somebody who is popular, somebody who has done some great work in society, right? Guide me life progress. Yes, Shilpa, you can just pay attention here, you will get clarity. So जिस इंसान ने बड़ा काम कर सकता है तो we feel अच्छा
Celebrity.
yes yeah
We normally interview celebrity.
yes so sir, I did not understand what you said.
He said celebrity का interview करते हैं.
Celebrity का interview for the clarity. We think that celebrity है उनका इंटरव्यू होता है. तो अगर आज आप मुझे बताइए, जब इंटरव्यू लेने वो जर्नलिस्ट या जो भी इंटरव्यूअर है, when they go there, so does that interviewer go and introduces self and talks about his or her life story? नहीं? Are you sure about that? इंटरव्यूअर, आपने इंटरव्यू देखे कि नहीं देखे? अमिताभ बच्चन का इंटरव्यू देखा है?
यस मैम.
ऐश्वर्या राय का इंटरव्यू देखा है? मोदी जी का इंटरव्यू देखा है? और जो भी आपके फेवरेट लीडर्स है, एक्टर्स है, किसी ना किसी का इंटरव्यू आपने तो फेसबुक इंस्टाग्राम पे देखा ही होगा. आई एम डैम श्योर. तो यहाँ पे जो इंटरव्यूअर है, माय क्वेश्चन इज, क्या इंटरव्यूअर अपनी जिंदगी की या अपनी लाइफ स्टोरी बताना स्टार्ट करता है? क्या करता है?
We ask the leading question.
खुद पूछे हुए सवालों को
हाँ,
जवाब देता है.
खुद सवाल पूछता है इंटरव्यूअर, राइट? द इंटरव्यूअर आस्क क्वेश्चंस टू द सेलिब्रिटी और द गेस्ट, करेक्ट? इमेजिन एक इंटरव्यू है, आपके फेवरेट एक्टर या एक्ट्रेस या लीडर कौन है? चलो सोच लेते हैं कि ऐश्वर्या राय, हमें पता नहीं, मैंने ऐसे ही अपने मन में आया वो बोल दिया। एक इंटरव्यूअर है, ऐश्वर्या राय का इंटरव्यू लेना चाहता है। ऐश्वर्या राय इज सिटिंग देयर ब्यूटीफुली ग्रेसफुली एंड ही इज टेलिंग हर हिज लाइफ स्टोरी, और बोलते जा रहा है, बोले जा रहा है, चुप ही नहीं हो रहा है। आपको क्या लगेगा अगर आप ऑडियंस में?
हम ऐश्वर्या राय को सुनने आए थे, ना कि रिपोर्टर को।
एग्जैक्टली हम तो ऐश्वर्या राय को सुनने आए थे, ये तो उसको बोलने ही नहीं दे रहा है, राइट? हम तो मीन्स, और वो इंटरव्यू हो सकता है कि उसे कुछ व्यूज ही ना मिले, क्योंकि वहां ऐश्वर्या राय तो बोल ही नहीं रही है, एंड शी इज ग्रेसफुल, सो शी इज जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर हर टर्न टू आंसर, so she is not going to interrupt that let me speak. She doesn't want to show any woman empowerment, or she is not coming from ego, that, and she doesn't feel the need, because she's a celebrity and there's a reason why she's a celebrity. Got it? यहाँ तक clear है? That means when an interviewer goes, interviewer asks questions, and then interviewee answers the questions elaborately, so that everyone get a glimpse of their life. Is that correct? This is how the interview looks like. Okay. Now, the good news is that you are going to play a role of that interviewer in the next week. Are you ready for that? You are going to play the role of an interviewer. आप कैसे इंटरव्यूअर बनना चाहते हैं? खुद की स्टोरी बता के you are making the audience become desperate, or you want to just keep quiet and let the other the celebrity speak? Which kind of interviewer do you want to be? Point number one or point number two? Option number one or option number two? Option number two. Very good, very good. So आज ना खुद को सेलिब्रेट करना है और ऐसा हाथ लेना है, ठीक है, एंड पैट योर बैक. वेरी गुड, very good. This is the first step to the transformation of your relationship. Okay, so you're going to be a great interviewer. All right. अभी किसका इंटरव्यू लेना है? इंटरव्यू सेलिब्रिटीज का लिया जाता है. ऐश्वर्या राय इज अ सेलिब्रिटी, अमिताभ बच्चन इज अ सेलिब्रिटी, लेकिन मेरे क्या काम के है यार? ना मेरे घर में वो सब्जी लेकर आ रहे हैं, ना मुझे जरूरत हुई तो दौड़ कर आ रहे हैं. मेरे लिए मेरे सेलिब्रिटीज मेरे स्टेक होल्डर्स. इज दैट करेक्ट? So they are the celebrity in the next week and you're the interviewer. Are you ready to role play? So what are you going to do? The interview has to be graceful and beautiful to see and listen to. And what is the intention of the interview? The interview allows you to step into the shoes of your interviewees and look at the world from their point of view. Is that correct? So when Virat Kohli speaks, we imagine how he eats clean food. We imagine how he goes on the ground at 5 a.m. We imagine how he goes to the gym also, and then he lifts weights, and then he performs so well. And then we also imagine how his structure of diet, sleep, practice is absolutely disciplined and impeccable. And when he speaks, we listen. Means we are only listening and we are going in the flow and looking at the world from Virat Kohli's eyes. And that's why we clap, because for that moment we feel that थोड़ी देर के लिए हमने विराट कोहली की लाइफ जी ली. Do you get that feeling when you listen to the interview of such winners? थोड़ी देर, इसीलिए यही कारण है आपकी लिसनिंग एबिलिटी इतनी अच्छी होने की वजह से, जब इंडिया कोई भी क्रिकेट मैच जीतती है तो आपको बड़ी खुशी होती है. आप तो हो ही नहीं वहां, व्हाई आर यू डांसिंग? So for that period of time, you are living the life of that winner, correct? उतने टाइम के लिए यही करना है, यही करना है नेक्स्ट वीक में. So what are the challenges that are going to come in this process? Number one challenge that will come will be your downloading. Number one challenge that will come will be your downloading, and this downloading will stop you. I mean, even now, if you can observe yourself, I am speaking, but your mind is going here and there. You are thinking that अभी खाने में फिर कितने बजे खाना है, ये मीटिंग कब खत्म होगी, right? So there are multiple things that go into your mind, and you feel that uh, I don't know when this meeting will be over, या फिर इसके बाद मुझे क्या करना है. There are multiple things. So do you think that when you are listening at that time, you are also distracted? Your mind is playing certain stories. So today you are going to get a framework, and just a minute. Let me know if you can see my screen. Go to echo. Uh, can you see, I mean, an image of social pathology or not? I guess not.
It's showing opening
Okay. Entire screen. Okay. Can you see now? You can see an image of ego to eco, social pathology, social emergence, absencing. Can you read these words? Can you see this diagram?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much for your response, because I cannot see.
If you would unpin me, na, this diagram would become bigger.
Yeah. All right. I am not able to see your faces, so if you want to convey anything, please speak.
Okay, okay. I'm saying if you can unpin me, na, the diagram would become bigger. The screen would show bigger.
Oh,
I
really?
get pinned over here.
All right. All right. I'll check. I'll check in the meeting. Just a minute. Stop sharing. Okay. Then you will have to rejoin Suman. Is it okay? I'll have to remove you from the call because it is not giving me the option of unpin you.
Oh, is it? Okay,
Oh,
I'll rejoin.
okay. Just a minute. I will say, it is giving me an option now. All right?
Yeah, yeah, better.
Yeah. Okay. Can you see now?
Yes.
So if you can see in the diagram, this is voice, means look at the lower half of the diagram. All right. Voice of judgment, voice VOC is voice of curiosity, voice of judgment, and VOF is voice of fear. All right. So now if you look at the upper half of the diagram, when your mind is closed, when your heart is closed, डाउनलोडिंग विल टेक यू टू ब्लाइंडिंग. ब्लाइंडिंग मतलब आप सच्चाई नहीं देख सकते, क्योंकि आपके दिमाग में जो ट्रुथ चल रहा है ना, आप उसी को प्ले कर रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप किसी से बात कर रहे हो, इस इंसान ने 10 साल पहले आपको कुछ बोला था जो आपको बहुत हर्ट हुआ था. अभी उनसे बात करते वक्त वो क्या बात कर रहे हैं वो आप देख ही नहीं सकते, रियलिटी नहीं देख सकते, बिकॉज यू आर इन ब्लाइंडिंग. मतलब यू आर स्टिल playing your own truth that is present in your mind. And this makes you deny what is going on in the present moment. And entrenching leads to desensing. सेंसिंग मीन्स अभी वो इंसान कुछ आपको ऐसी कुछ इमोशनल शेयरिंग कर रहा है जिससे they want to share something, but you are in desensing mode. You cannot feel what they are feeling, right? So you are holding on to your own opinion and judgment, and because of that, you're stuck in yourself. You're stuck in yourself, and this leads you to absencing. So you're not present in that moment. You are absent, and this makes you manipulate the truth. आप आपके दिमाग में मैनिपुलेशन चालू हो जाते हैं, तो हम कहते हैं ना, नहीं नहीं यार वो बहुत मैनिपुलेट करते हैं. मेनी टाइम, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम यू आर मैनिपुलेटिंग योरसेल्फ. You are manipulating, you're bending the truths in your head because you want to show yourself how you're the hero, and that is coming from your ego. That is not your true self. This keeps you in the phase of delusion. Delusion का मतलब क्या होता है? जो सच्चाई नहीं है और आप इमेजिन कर रहे हैं. जो सच्चाई नहीं है और आप इमेजिन कर रहे हैं, that is delusion. And then you are actually abusing yourself by this process. And then you abort the truth, you abort the reality. You don't want to be in the present moment. Disembodying means now you are not a part of your higher self, and this destroys the relationship. How many of you have felt this pattern in certain relationships where you felt challenges? This was the exact sequence that happened, right? Now let's come to what we what can emerge if we are connected to our higher self. So forget about higher self. There is a choice. Downloading is coming in both the phases. Whether you choose absencing, whether you choose presencing, downloading is going to come. Now, when this voice of judgment comes, you suspend the downloading. You suspend the downloading and you start seeing, oh, this is my downloading. I need to just suspend it and see the world from different point of view. How? By opening my mind and by adopting voice of curiosity. Voice of curiosity. All right, yes, my mind is trying to judge this person, but let me see what makes him think like that. What makes them speak like that? Let me see, let me know about. And then you ask questions out of curiosity. Now you start sensing they are saying something, but as soon as your mind tells you the story, पता है 10 साल पहले इसने ये बोला था, अब देखो कैसे गिरगिट की तरह रंग बदल रही है. And your mind will tell you stories and you are like immediately, okay, that was 10 years back, let me see what she is trying to say today. And then you listen and you can sense what she is feeling. You can sense what she is feeling. Voice of fear comes because now you don't want to be in this relationship with a new perspective, a new attitude. You're fearful of heartbreak, and then you just choose to let go of that. This is my voice of fear that is speaking. This is not me. I let go of it. I let go of it. I open my heart. I open my will because I am willing to see what new data can I get. New data will get only if I am present. And then you let come the new things. Oh, this is the reality. And what I was thinking was actually my judgment and perception. And now I crystallize it. And then enacting means repeating the same thing again and again. Prototyping means small experiment. If you look at Kindness Corner is an example of prototyping. This is an experiment that we all five decided to do. कि चलो 365 डेज तक देखते हैं काइंडनेस कॉर्नर क्या कर सकता है. तो हमारा कोई प्लान नहीं था कि ये करना है वो करना है, ऐसे कोई बड़े एम्बिशियस प्लान नहीं थे. सिर्फ एक सिंपल इंटेंशन था टू प्रोवाइड अ नॉन जजमेंटल स्पेस ऑफ लिसनिंग, राइट. तो ये दिस इज अ प्रोटोटाइपिंग इज अ स्मॉल एक्सपेरिमेंट. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर आपको एक बड़ा हॉस्पिटल अगर आपको बड़ा हॉस्पिटल सेटअप करना है, तो आपका प्रोटोटाइपिंग ये होगा कि आप एक पहले छोटे क्लिनिक सेटअप में देखेंगे कि आपके सिस्टम्स वर्क कर रहे हैं क्या. एंड देन व्हेन यू आर श्योर कि अच्छा ये सेटअप में हो सकता है, देन यू ट्राई टू इम्प्लीमेंट इन द bigger hospital. So prototyping is like small experiment. And when you feel that this experiment is not working well, you think about something else. If it is working well, you embody that system. And that way you get connected to your highest potential. Right? So this is the diagram, this is the direction. If you can see, it is a perfect U which is taking you up. So open mind, open heart, and open will. By this, you are going to get a new perspective to your stakeholders interviews. Remember this diagram, and now I'm going to stop sharing the screen. How many of you understood the diagram and new perspective? Maybe you know about it, but still you got to know that this sounds interesting. Let me see what new can be added. If you have that desire to know more, then congratulations, you are embodying curiosity. Curiosity is one element which can keep you young forever. The more curious you are, the younger you become with years. Right? So now, if you look at this diagram, then now everything is going to be based on that diagram. So if you just understand and the meaning and the intention behind it, then everything in the next week is going to come very easy. Every time you listen to them, downloading is going to come. If you saw, dono isme absencing or presencing, whatever you choose, downloading is going to come. So ask them, what do they want from me? The question is not मेरी तारीफ करो, what do they want from me? And the second question, so what is the intention of this question is to know what is your stakeholders need. अभी ये stakeholder आपका customer हो सकता है, आपका client हो सकता है, आपका patient हो सकता है. If you learn this tool today, you can earn a lot of money. Because इस दुनिया में सुनने वालों की कमी है. सुनने वाला डॉक्टर, सुनने वाला सर्विस प्रोवाइडर, सुनने वाला बिजनेसमैन, इन लोगों की कमी है. And if you become that, you will be shine. You will shine through. Right? So what are the principles of stakeholders interview? The principles are first creating transparency and trust about the purpose of the interview and the process also. So you need to have this conversation before you go actually towards stakeholders interview. First step is to establish a personal connection. एक स्ट्रेंजर के साथ आप स्टेकहोल्डर्स इंटरव्यू नहीं ले सकते, बिकॉज स्टेकहोल्डर्स आर द पिलर्स ऑफ योर लाइफ. जिनको आप जानते हैं पहले, उनके साथ आपको पर्सनल कनेक्शन क्रिएट करना है कि आप इस तरह के, क्योंकि एकदम से आप उनको क्वेश्चन पूछते जाएंगे तो दे विल फील लाइक why is she asking me so many questions, why are they asking me so many questions, right? So instead, create a background that and establish a personal connection. Let them know that is it okay if I ask you a few questions, take their permission. And when you do that, the voice of judgment will actually dominate your mind. And your work is to suspend the voice of judgment, to see the situation from their eyes. And what matters at this point is not whether you agree with them or not. Underline, मतलब बार बार सुन लो. जरूरी नहीं है कि सुनना मतलब उनसे agree करना. It doesn't matter whether you agree with them or not. It doesn't matter whether what they feel right is your right or wrong. तो आपका काम उन्हें करेक्ट करना नहीं है. What matters now is that you learn to see the situation through the eyes of the stakeholder. हो सकता है your child comes to you and tells you that आज स्कूल में I was feeling very hungry. Teacher was teaching, and I started eating my tiffin. And then teacher scolded me, and she asked me to go out of the classroom. So I was punished for that. Then I was sent to the headmistress room. What is your role? आपका immediate reaction क्या होगा इस situation में? Prajakta, what will be your immediate reaction?
Normally we will scold on child,
क्या
ma'am.
क्या जरूरत है जाने की, क्या जरूरत है खाना खा के, टिफिन का ब्रेक होता है ना, थोड़ा रुक नहीं सकते? टीचर सिखा रही है, स्कूल में आपको भेज रहे हैं, एंड यू आर गोइंग देयर एंड डूइंग दिस थिंग्स, इसके लिए स्कूल भेज रहे हैं.
Right,
अभी
ma'am.
बोला, विल योर चाइल्ड टेल यू द सिमिलर थिंग अगेन इफ इट हैपेंस? नो. आपको एक बार पता चला, आपको क्या लगा, मैंने बोल दिया, मेरे बच्चे ने मेरा सुन लिया, and now my child is a good child, a good boy, a good girl. What is the reality? Do you know that? You don't know what they are doing. Maybe this is happening every day, but because that child did not get that space of non-judgment, child doesn't feel the need to transform his attitude, because what he got after telling the truth is the judgment and scolding. Now this is the foundation that was created in his mind in the childhood only, that if you tell the truth, your parents will disregard you. This is the reason why there is a gap in communication between parents and children. They are very sure that they are not going to get the non-judgmental space. So your work is to access your ignorance. See how you're ignorant of certain things, and for that you need to open your mind. You need to open your mind as the conversation unfolds. Pay attention and trust the questions that come to your mind. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Don't be afraid to think about relevant questions which you feel that maybe I don't know this, so I want to know, and you ask a particular question. So your work is to align with appreciative listening. What is appreciative listening? Appreciative listening comes from your open heart. It comes from your open heart. So open mind, open heart. Connect to your interview with your mind and heart wide open. If your mind is not open, you will not be able to listen to them in a non-judgmental way. And if your heart is not open, you will not be able to appreciate or look for things to appreciate and create compassion for them. So thoroughly appreciate and enjoy the story that you hear in this interview. And put yourself in your interview's shoes and try to live that part of their life for that time as if you're that person. So the purpose the purpose and of answers that we want to get from the questions is, what do they want from me, and what do they need me for. And for that I'm going to give you 3 questions that will make your stakeholders interview absolutely amazing. Are you ready for that? Yeah. If you are ready, then say ready. If you're excited, say I am excited. Because see, if just you're just looking at it as a serious conversation, oh my god, ऐसे इंटरव्यू लेना है, वैसे इंटरव्यू लेना है, you're not going to enjoy the process, right? क्योंकि ये कोई एग्जाम नहीं है, ये आपका वाइवा नहीं है. you're going to enjoy the process. और क्या करना है, आपको एक्चुअली कुछ करना ही नहीं है, सब तो सामने वाले को करना है, तो उसको टेंशन होनी चाहिए ना भाई, उसको आंसर देना है, आपको नहीं. You're going to just sit back and see and listen and feel, which are beautiful things which doesn't require any performance. Is it going to be easy or difficult? Tell me. If you are still in judgment, you will feel difficult. अरे मेरे बच्चे के सामने अगर उसने कुछ ऐसा बोल दिया तो बड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा. How will I control my anger? Nothing. You are going to just look at it as a show. हमें कुछ करना ही नहीं है, सिर्फ 3 क्वेश्चंस पूछने. 3 क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी डिजाइंड आपको ना मिल रहे हैं, मतलब प्लेट पे परोस के मिल रहे हैं, आप करना ही क्या है. So it's very easy if you are not in judgment. जैसे ही आपके माइंड में बोले ये बड़ा डिफिकल्ट है, इसका मतलब जजमेंट आ गया, ये ऐसा है, वो वैसा है, हमेशा ऐसे ही करता है, मेरी बात नहीं सुनता है, हमेशा मुझे तकलीफ देता है, स्कूल में मैंने इतने बार जाके बोला फिर भी ना ये सुनता ही नहीं, अभी क्या ही करना. अभी रुक जा, नेक्स्ट पीटीएम में ना आई विल टेक यू टू योर प्रिंसिपल. इमेजिन द प्लाइट ऑफ द चाइल्ड. वेयर विल दिस चाइल्ड गो? स्कूल में एक तो चल ही रहा है, मतलब मराठीमध्ये म्हणतात तिकडे जाऊन तर सासुरवास आहेच, आता आई वडिलांकडून पण सासुरवास, कुठे जावं. Right? So your work is to be compassionate and not to judge whether they are doing right or wrong. Not to judge them right or wrong. Right? Because एक ट्रूथ आपसे शेयर करना चाहूंगी, लेकिन एक कंडीशन है. कंडीशन ये है कि यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू क्वेश्चन दैट ट्रूथ. If you are ready not to question that truth, then I will share this with you. And आपके बच्चों के साथ सारे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएंगे. because when I came to know about this, मेरे बच्चों के साथ मेरी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स 1 मिनट में सॉल्व हो गई। और अब तक क्यों नहीं हो रही थी पता है? Because I was under the impression and I was actually pressurized by the ego that I am the parent, my child should respect me.
फाल्गुनी गए।
लेकिन जैसे ये ट्रुथ पता चला ना, all the ego went out of the window and I became an extremely humble person in front of my children. Do you want to know the truth?
चल
Yes?
बसते आता थोडा वेळ.
हो, तुम्ही जरूर बसा आणि
कुठे
ऐका.
जाता?
कुठेच जात नाहीये, इथेच आहोत.
Yes, we
So
want
you
to hear what is the transformation.
Yes, so the work is the point that is going to change your relationship with your children is there is at least 20 to 25 years of difference, age difference in between you and your child, right? If you're a parent. So you think that you have more experience, correct? And you are wiser. Actually, it is not an experience. It is more layers of ego that you are carrying. If you are more experienced, then why is Virat Kohli a winner when he is younger than you? He has less experience of life. Why is PV Sindhu playing so well? She is less experienced than you. Experience doesn't make you a great person. Now coming to the real truth. Your child is wiser than you. Your child is wiser than you, and your child is more connected to God than you are. You are away from wisdom. You are away from spirituality. You are actually farther from God. So your work is not to teach your children. Your work is to learn from your child. Ultimately, spirituality is about being childlike. Is it a bulb-on moment for you? If it is not a bulb-on moment, then maybe the questions will not make sense for you. Any question?
हेलो मैम। मैम मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम व्हाट हैपन कि जब हम किसी को मतलब ऐसा इंटरव्यू या फिर सिर्फ उसको जानने को चाहते हैं तो मतलब अभी मैं काम कर रहा हूँ वहाँ पे मेरा जो मतलब मेरे जो को जे आर है तो उनके लाइफ में मतलब वो काफ़ी कनेक्टेड रहते हैं। अभी 24 आवर हम साथ में काम करते तो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम मतलब उनके लाइफ में पिछले काफ़ी ट्रेजेडी हुई रहती है। तो कैसा है कि मतलब वो जानने में भी हमें मतलब थोड़ा सा हो जाता है कि इनकी ट्रेजेडी सुनेंगे तो फिर हमारे मन में वही ये चलता रहेगा और मतलब वो कुछ दिनों के लिए ट्रॉमा हमें भी रहता है ना, मतलब वो उनके साथ इतना टाइम बिताया फिर उतना ये किया तो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम ये जानने की इच्छा नहीं होती कि हाँ उनकी लाइफ पास्ट में तो रहे तो वो अपनी लाइफ में मतलब अभी जो चल रहा है वो चलने दे तो उसमें क्या मतलब
You'll get to know when I'll share the answers. लेकिन जो भी पेरेंट्स हैं क्या उनको कुछ आंसर्स मिले हैं? योर चाइल्ड इज क्लोजर टू गॉड.
एक बच्चा अपने इंस्टिंक्ट से बात करता है
Yes.
जबकि हम बड़े लोग बहुत मतलब बहुत मैनिपुलेटेड बातें करते हैं हमें
Because we are driven by right and wrong. And we think that what we think right is should be the right of my child. अगर यही फिलॉसफी प्रिंस सिद्धार्थ ने फॉलो की होती तो आज हमें गौतम बुद्ध की फिलॉसफी मिलती जीने की. संत ज्ञानेश्वर, क्या हमें ज्ञानेश्वरी मिलती if they would have followed the right of their parents? The problem is we think that my child is not a hero. ये थोड़ी इतना बड़ा काम करने वाला है. ब्लेसिंग ही हमारा ऐसा जा रहा है. So your work is to not to demand respect because you're a parent. Your work is to provide respect to your child because your child is closer to God than you are. That is one point I want you to take home. The coming to the core, because I believe that this point that I shared will require a lot of vichara manthan from your side. Maybe you will have multiple opinions about it. That जब वो गलत करता है तो क्या, तो actually going in the depth and listening is the only answer to that. So coming to the stakeholder interviews, three golden questions. Number one question, you can write it down. What is your most important objective and how can I help you realize it? So Mahesh, the question that you asked just now कि जब वो बातें करते हैं अपने ट्रेजेडीज के बारे में तो मेरे मन में वो चलते रहता है. Look at yourself as an interviewer and they are celebrities. सेलिब्रिटी अपना स्ट्रगल जब शेयर करते हैं तो हम उतने टाइम के लिए उनसे कनेक्ट होके फील करते हैं उन्हें कैसे फील होगा, कैसे फील हुआ होगा. That doesn't mean that you are carrying their destiny. You're feeling their pain. And then question number 2, what criteria do you use to assess whether my contribution to your work has been successful? या आप बिजनेस रिलेशनशिप में, पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप में आप पूछ सकते हैं, आपके स्पाउस को पूछ सकते हैं. आपके, मैंने तो ये अपना इंटरव्यू मेरे मदर इन लॉ का लिया था. What criteria do you use to assess whether my contribution to your work has been successful? Immediately ना उनको एक दूसरा ही, they will start thinking about अच्छा इसका contribution क्या हो सकता है मेरे लाइफ में. Sometimes things that will make you feel good will come. Sometimes things will come which will not make you feel good. In fact, it will make you bad. But your work is to suspend your judgment. वो जो हमने पहले डायग्राम देखा उसे याद रखना है. My work is to suspend my judgment, piece of judgment, and be curious to see, okay, what else? What makes you think like that? And question number 3 is, if I were able to change 2 things in my area of responsibility within the next 6 months, what 2 things would create the most value for you and will benefit you? मतलब, in simple language, how can I help you to achieve your objective? कौन सी वो 2 चीजें हैं, वो 2 चेंजेस है जो मैंने अगर अपने जिंदगी में किए तो आपके जिंदगी में बहुत बड़ी वैल्यू ऐड हो सकती है. So ये जो 3 क्वेश्चंस है, I will repeat the 3 questions again. What is your most important?
Dr. Pallavi, can you just Hindi or Hindi प्रश्न? Just I want प्रश्न in Hindi.
आपके जिंदगी का सबसे महत्वपूर्ण उद्देश्य क्या है और मैं इस उद्देश्य को पूर्ण करने के लिए कैसे मदद कर सकती हूँ? What is your most important objective? How can I help you realize it? Question number 2. What criteria do you use to assess whether my contribution to your work has been successful? किस तरह से आप नापते हैं कि मेरा कंट्रीब्यूशन आपके जीवन में महत्वपूर्ण रहा है? वो किस तरह से आप नापते हैं? आपका क्या स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन है? आपको कब फील होगा, मतलब ऐसा क्या है जिससे आपको फील होगा कि मेरा कंट्रीब्यूशन आपके लाइफ में सक्सेसफुल है? नंबर 3, अगर मैं अपने जिंदगी में सिर्फ 2 चीजें चेंज कर पाऊं एज अ रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन टुवर्ड्स यू, कौन सी वो 2 चीजें हैं जिससे आपके जिंदगी में बहुत ज्यादा वैल्यू ऐड हो सकती है और उसे आपको फायदा हो सकता है? If I were able to change 2 things in my area of responsibility within the next 6 months, what 2 things would create the most value and benefit for you? ये 3 क्वेश्चंस आप पूछेंगे. You will take a pause after each question. Try to listen to them. Always remember that stakeholders interview is not something that can be done in 10 to 15 minutes. एक दिन में एक स्टेक होल्डर्स इंटरव्यू बहुत हो गया. सो व्हाट विल यू डू, आपको आपके स्केड्यूल में देखना है आधा पौन घंटा कम से कम आपके पास स्पेस होनी चाहिए. दैट्स व्हाई दे सेड दैट फर्स्ट आपको यू नीड टू क्रिएट अ पर्सनल कनेक्शन विद द इंटरव्यूई एंड यू नीड टू हैव दैट अपॉइंटमेंट, प्रॉपर अपॉइंटमेंट कि क्या इस वक्त हम कुछ बात करनी थी, आपसे कुछ सवाल पूछने थे, तो क्या आप 1 से 2 बजे तक फ्री हैं आज. एंड व्हेन दे से यस देन यू जस्ट गो देयर. कुछ नहीं, बस एक छोटा इंटरव्यू लेना था आपसे. तो अरे मेरा इंटरव्यू क्यों, एक्चुअली दे विल बी वेरी हैप्पी टू लिसन टू दिस वर्ड इंटरव्यू. And then you will make them feel like with that child like curiosity when you say that नहीं बस ऐसे ही आपकी जीवनी थोड़ी जाननी थी, आपने बहुत स्ट्रगल किया है, देखना था आपकी स्टोरी कैसे, आपने उस पे कैसे मात की, हो सकता है मेरे लिए कुछ सीखने लायक हो. And then they will be so open and happy to share everything. And when you ask them questions you will get a lot of new data. And what will you with this data, ये data आपको ऐसा, I guarantee you that you will get some data which will be exactly opposite to what you were thinking in your mind. It will be a surprise for you. Oh my god, this person was thinking like this and I thought that ये तो मेरे बारे में ऐसे ही सोचते होंगे, they don't respect me, and I say that I am so important for them. It will amaze you. It will bring you both together closer than ever. Any challenging relationship can be transformed to the next level with this stakeholders interview. Because when you listen to them without any judgment and only with compassion, you open your heart. When you open your heart, they also open their heart. And when both hearts are open and connected to each other, there is an unexplained sense of compassion and love between two people. Now, if that person is your customer or client or patient, they will not leave you for a lifetime. They will like to do the business with you again and again. If that is your child, they will feel so happy that आज मेरे parent ने मुझे सुना, यही तो इतने सालों से मुझे चाहिए था. If that is your parent in law, then you will feel like इतने सालों से मैंने अपने साल बर्बाद किए by complaining about them, ये तो कुछ अलग ही निकले. So जिन्हें आप विलन के बॉक्स में रखते थे, suddenly the box will be shifted. अरे ये तो हीरो के बॉक्स में. Many mind blowing things will come up for you. It's a very exciting journey. And you will see the same person will look different. दूसरे दिन से आपको ना एक different sense of love, waterfall of love, आप you will be full of love for people. क्योंकि जिनके बारे में आपके अंदर बहुत सारे नेगेटिव जजमेंट्स थे वो ट्रांसफॉर्म हो जाएंगे. And then there will be no playing of stories of tragedies or people's failures. You will feel more respect for them. इतना होने के बाद भी इस तरह से है, इसका मतलब I have so much to learn from them. The person is agile. मेरे लाइफ में तो कुछ मतलब मैक्सिमम टाइम्स तो मुझे यही लगा इतनी चैलेंजेस है, बाप रे, my father has gone through so much. इसके कंपैरिजन में मेरा चैलेंज तो कुछ भी नहीं है. I am so lucky. In fact, you will be filled with a lot of gratitude. Make sure that this stakeholders interview is not converted into chit chat. And unnecessary laughter, because it will dilute the intention of the whole interview. Is it clear with everyone? Are you ready to attack the next week with stakeholders interview?
Yes.
You
For
remember
sure.
ना, your role is interviewer और वो celebrity है, ये याद रहेगा ना आपको? भूल तो नहीं जाओगे, नहीं तो आप अगर सेलिब्रिटी बन गए तो इंटरव्यूअर कोई भी नहीं रहेगा. Right? And I would like to, means the team of Kindness Corner would like to listen to your stories of stakeholders interview. Minimum 3. पॉसिबल है पूरे वीक में 3. एक दिन इंस्टाग्राम रील कम देख लेना, वो 1 घंटे में इंटरव्यू ले लेना है. ठीक है? It is a very good exercise of knowing human mind, If you're interested in people, if you're interested in psychology of human beings, this will give you many new perspectives. Any question? Mahesh, do you want to ask any question?
No, ma'am. Thank you. It was wonderful session.
Okay, good. Anjali, do you want to ask any question? Because there are raised hands, that's why I'm asking.
नहीं कोई प्रश्न तो नहीं है, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा ये हुआ आपका कॉन्वर्सेशन सुन के। लेकिन वो माइंड तो ये चलता रहता है, लाइक जो डाउनलोडिंग वाला है, मैं मीन्स उसके ऊपर तो बहुत सारा मेरा भी वर्कआउट चालू है, सो आई विल
Very
ट्राई
good.
माय बेस्ट। लेकिन एक क्वेश्चन है कि ये तीनों क्वेश्चन एट ए टाइम इंटरव्यू में ये करना है या वन बाय वन, जस्ट सर्कमस्टेंसेस देख के कि आगे का कैसे मुझे रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है, एंड देन आई विल मीन्स आगे बढ़ाना है, वो तो दैट इज ऑल्सो ये
जो
है
फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आप
डाउनलोडिंग।
पूछेंगे ना, जब फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे उसका आंसर बहुत लंबा मिलता है जनरली। दिस इज माय एक्सपीरियंस। तो आपको याद रखते हैं आपके क्वेश्चन, क्योंकि उनका आंसर सुनते सुनते कभी कभी आप भी भूल जाते हैं मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है।
Yeah.
The next question is what criteria do you assess whether my contribution has been useful? और क्वेश्चन को अगर आपको लगता है तो एक कागज पे लिख के साथ में रखो, ताकि इवन इफ यू गेट एनग्रॉस्ड यू विल हैव वन गाइड। एंड देन थर्ड क्वेश्चन, क्या कौन सी 2 चीजें मुझे चेंज करनी चाहिए। बहुत मजा आएगा आपको, बहुत मजा आएगा। आपके बारे में भी बहुत सुंदर
इसके ऊपर तो बहुत सारा वर्कआउट चल रहा है, बिकॉज ये रिलेशनशिप ये बहुत ये चल रहा है, सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी। बहुत अच्छा, पहले तो पता ही नहीं चला व्हाट इज स्टेक होल्डर। ऐसे लगा कि समथिंग कुछ तो होगा, लेकिन कंपेयर इसके पीछे कुछ भी हो, वो लास्ट में तो ये आएगा। या थैंक यू वेरी मच डॉक्टर पल्लवी।
most welcome. And this is about practicing your compassion, and this is just a tool which you can use with anyone, and it will definitely take your relationship to the next level. Yes, Prajakta, you wanted to ask something?
हाँ, यस मैम। सो जैसे मैम अभी आपने बोला है कि जजमेंट लेके नहीं जाना है, ओपन हार्ट जाना है, बट आई मीन लाइफ में जो भी अभी स्टेक होल्डर्स मैंने निकाले हैं, डेफिनेटली उनके लिए कुछ ना कुछ जजमेंट रहता ही है, चाहे कितनी भी रैंकिंग हम दे, बट वो ओपन हार्ट के करके कैसे जा सकते हैं, इसके लिए मुझे थोड़ा गाइडेंस चाहिए।
It is about judgment तो आएगा। Oh, this is my judgment. So instead of listening to my judgment in my head, let me listen to the real person who is sitting in front of me. कि जजमेंट तो पास्ट से आ रहा है ना, आपका उनके साथ जो पास्ट का एक्सपीरियंस था वो आपको कंक्लूजन दे रहा है, ये ऐसे है वो वैसे है, लेकिन पास्ट इज पास्ट, इट इज नॉट रियल नाउ, इट डजंट एग्जिस्ट।
ओके,
इट डजंट एग्जिस्ट। What is present? Are you present in the present? That is the question you can ask yourself often. This is my downloading. I need to suspend this. Right? Try
Okay.
it. The more you try it, the more you do it, the more you understand it.
Yes.
पल्लवी मैम,
Yeah.
अगर हम जजमेंट में नहीं हैं और हम बहुत ओपन हार्ट क्यूरियोसिटी से सुन रहे हैं, बट अगर सामने वाले के आंसर्स हमारे लिए जजमेंट वाले आ रहे तो?
Yes, ऐसा हो सकता है।
तो
Your work is to open your mind. Open mind का मतलब क्या है? Open mind मतलब my mind is so open that whatever comes, I'm going to be curious about what makes them think so. So, yes, means I have been there about the question that you are asking. So, you बहुत ही fast anger, hurt, frustration, irritation बहुत जल्दी से हमारे माइंड में जगह बना लेते हैं। At that time, all right. उस टाइम पे taking a pause and just trying to see that this is my judgment, let me see what comes from this person. The more and more you suspend your downloading, the more and more you are not connected to your smaller self. This way, you are actually helping the person to get disconnected from their smaller self. That is called as soul to soul connection. जो आप करेंगे ना वही मिरर कर रहे हो. आप अगर हर्ट हो गए, एंग्री हो गए, फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए, तो आपका जो रिएक्शन रहेगा उसी से अनुरूप आपको आंसर मिलने वाला है. अगर उस साइड से ऐसा कुछ आता है which is not something that is pleasant for you, your work is to just, all right, okay, tell me more. So when you're curious, you ask more ना. आपको भूख लगती है, आप ज्यादा खाना मांगते हैं. उसी प्रकार it's like your mind is curious to know more. अच्छा, tell me more, tell me more. Oh, can you repeat that? Tell me more. So अभी आप डिस्टर्ब नहीं हुए हैं, आप हर्ट नहीं है, तो अभी वो इंसान भी अपने डाउनलोडिंग से हटकर रियलिटी देखने की कोशिश करेगा एंड यू विल सी हाउ द कन्वर्सेशन इज शिफ्टिंग. हाँ, लेकिन आपने रिएक्ट नहीं किया, तो अभी दे विल स्लोली दे विल स्टार्ट टेकिंग रिस्पांसिबिलिटी. बट सी, इंस्टेड ऑफ मी टेलिंग यू एवरीथिंग, यू नीड टू एक्सपीरियंस दिस.
I experienced once, but it kind of, I feel ki this is first set of interview. I need to do it again, like same after some while. Like I felt like that. It is. I mean, जैसे आप बोल रहे हो कि 3 क्वेश्चन के बीच में पॉज होना चाहिए. I felt that just after 1 question I can leave. I can hold the first. Yeah, you know, not the 1 hour pause. I felt like it should be paused that time only. You know.
Yes, pause, but then ask next question. Take a pause, listen to them, then ask the next question. Your work is not to give them opinion or disregard what this stringent say. आपकी टिप्पणी आपको देनी ही नहीं है ना, तो आपको कुछ काम ही नहीं करना है, आपको तो सिर्फ सुनना है.
It sometimes makes person uncomfortable because if in a very close relationship there are expectations, okay, and मैं questions पूछ रही हूँ कि ऐसा मैं क्या करूँ कि you know, तो अगर judgment already fixed up है,
ऐसा मैं क्या करूँ, यहाँ you are creating a different kind of trap for yourself. The question is not that what should I do for you.
okay,
This is again coming from ego. The question is what criteria do you use to assess. आप किस हिसाब से ये निर्णय लेते हैं कि मेरा कंट्रीब्यूशन आपके काम में सक्सेसफुल रहा है या नहीं. कौन सा रिजल्ट आपके लाइफ में, मतलब असेसमेंट, आप किस तरह से असेस करते हैं कि मेरा कंट्रीब्यूशन आपके लाइफ में सफल रहा है या नहीं. तो अभी द आंसर इज नॉट अबाउट व्हाट यू डिड और नॉट, आंसर इज व्हाट दे आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम यू. तो आप ही उनको हेल्प कर रहे हो टू शिफ्ट देयर फोकस टू योर कंट्रीब्यूशन टू देयर लाइफ. What can I do for you is not the question. Third question is, if I were able to change 2 things in my area of responsibility towards you within the next 6 months, what 2 things would create the most value for you? ऐसी कौन सी 2 चीजें हैं आगे के 6 महीने में अगर मैंने चेंज की तो आपकी जिंदगी में बहुत वैल्यूएशन, आपको बहुत फायदा होगा उससे. Is that clear, Meenu? क्वेश्चन का कंस्ट्रक्शन और फ्रेमिंग करेक्ट होना चाहिए. When you ask the question, make sure that you look into their eyes, After every question, listen to them intently, whether it comes pleasant or unpleasant. One thing to give you freedom. जो भी वो बोल रहे हैं ना, इट इज नॉट द अल्टीमेट यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ. वो भी अपने डाउनलोडिंग से बोल रहे हैं. तो इट इज नॉट अबाउट यू. यू डोंट नीड टू गेट हर्ट. जैसे आपकी डाउनलोडिंग चल रही है, उनकी भी तो डाउनलोडिंग चल रही है. फर्क इतना है कि आप अवेयरनेस में हो, वो नहीं है. सिंपल. उनके लिए वो सच्चाई है, लेकिन आपको पता है कि उनके हेड की सच्चाई है, यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ नहीं है. Does that give you some freedom from your heart? फिर उनको ट्रुथ पता चलेगा when you ask the questions right way. हर एक का अपना अपना ट्रूथ होता है अपने माइंड में. People like to play in that truth because they are the hero, not the other person is. Right? आपके माइंड में आप हीरो हो, तो उनके माइंड में वो हीरो है. सेम मूवी चल रही है ना, माय मूवी. So we can understand them. Right? And let us have this conversation in the next week and see what we discover together. All right? Was this conversation helpful, every one of you? I just want to see whether this added any value to your life or not.
Definitely, because before that I used to know about just the like step by steps, just the steps. But now I know that what we don't need to do. Like आप बोल रहे हो ना, celebrity वो है. So it keep on coming. हम अपनी myself में जाते ही रहते हैं. तो
Yes.
वापस से dig out अपने आप को ground पे रखना है.
I really appreciate the curiosity you hold in your mind, Meenu. This is your strength. Means deep insight you have into your own mind is truly amazing. And the more questions and more doubts you have, actually the more you are trying. It's a good thing. And remember that you are not your smaller self, you are your higher self.
Still,
The day you realize it, you will be free from the opinions of other people in your life. कुछ भी ओपिनियन उनका कुछ भी चले, you already are immune to it because you have that kavach. You are your higher self. Your work is to support them, not to judge them. And your consistent efforts will take you to such a higher level that one day they will not get tired to appreciate you. And then you will look back this day and every day when you listened, and you look at yourself and them, and you will be like, oh wow, it was a good journey. Right?
very
Congratulations. Yes. So thank you so much for your acknowledgement. Yes, Tushar. Thank you very much. Thank you, Meenu. Thank you, Prajakta. Yes, thank you, everyone. So see you on next Friday with your sharings. Kindness Corner is very curious to know what came up for you. What did you experience? What were the challenges? What were the breakthroughs? So that together we can practice and contribute through kindness to this world. All right. Take care. Bye bye. Good night. Have a fun filled weekend, every one of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thanks. Thanks.